How to receive Shopify payments on Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can receive Shopify payments. So to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to quickly go into your settings. And once you're in your settings, you're going to go over to payments. Now, normally, if you live in America, the Shopify payment setting will be provided for you. If it's not provided for you currently, you can go into your store details. You're going to go into your business address and you're going to switch this off to obviously the United States. Okay, so once we're over here, just add your United States address. And once you do that, you're going to click on save. And once you click on save, you're going to want to do from there is you're going to go into payments. And once we go into payments, here you can see Shopify payments. So you're simply going to click on activate Shopify payments from there where it will take you to the activation section where it's going to ask you, your business type and all the things. So let's say I have an LLC and you're going to add all the legal business names, what your state is, your job title, then, your date of birth. So I'm going to go ahead and add all of that. So once you've added this, you have your social security number. Okay. So once we add this for ourselves, what you are going to be doing is you're going to go through with all of this. Once we do this, you're going to add in your phone number, and then you're going to submit it all for verification. Now, once you submit it for verification, you're just going to wait for your business information to be verified, and you're going to start receiving Shopify payments. So yeah, that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.